Hello, welcome to today's new travel art vlog. This is my short story of visiting Provenance Cafe at Alibag. Come join me in this beautiful place and watch my live painting. We came across this cafe by chance post lunch at the Broadwalk at Mandwa Jetty port, and the colors just drew us in. It was so amazing to walk inside over here and see colors every single place around us. And this is finally where we ended up going at Provenance Beach Cafe. You can see all the beautiful art around me. There also was an artist who came towards the end and was painting those beautiful spirals at the back. I just had to paint. It's been a while since I painted, so I decided let me take my travel kit and start painting. So I'm using Winsor and Newton travel kit. This is the professional range, and this is the first time that I was using it. So I was so excited about that. So the colors of this kit are so vibrant, and the tiny palettes with it are very useful. So they do have a small water flask, but I ended up using the water bottle. This is my travel sketchbook, which I carry along with me, and this was also the first time that I was carrying these travel brushes by Escoda. They come in 3 sizes, and I ended up predominantly using the biggest one. There were these beautiful benches in pink and also in blue, and we had this really nice coffee mug, which also I ended up painting on top of it. So enjoy the process of watching me paint. I'm just going to quickly speed up this process to help you understand how it's coming to life really soon. You could see this person popping up at the back. That was the guy who was painting behind. This is the coffee mug. The place was nothing short of a pastel dream. There is a pastel color palette by Art Philosophy, which I did not carry with me in this trip, but if I had, then I think it would have been absolutely the perfect thing to capture this. One important thing when you're capturing live paintings is you don't have to paint every single thing which is in front of you. Just paint the same thing in your own version, and that's what makes it very beautiful. So I normally give an outline with to most of my paintings with ink. Today I did it with my pen, and I end up writing one small note to myself. This year we were celebrating our first year wedding anniversary at this place, and it was the most beautiful artistic way that we could have thought of. Being a travel artist is very satisfying on very lot of different levels, because you get to capture your moment apart from photographs in a very beautiful way in the form of a painting. And like I was saying earlier, you can just capture small snippets. You don't have to capture every single thing which is over there, and it makes it absolutely beautiful to look back at it later. So this is what the place was, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me today. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you're new over here, and I'll see you again in my next travel vlog.